everybody! I need some coffee. So I'm gonna use one of my favorite mugs. So cute. And let's get some coffee, because I need it. So I had to just put a jacket on. I am always so cold, like freezing. Coffee's just so good. But anyways, I'm gonna make some breakfast. Ryan and I have been on a diet. It's not like diet, but like let's just be healthy diet. So I'm just gonna get some eggs and some meat, and we're just gonna see what else we're gonna put into it because I'm really not sure. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I just got my DNA thing from Ancestry. We haven't opened it yet, so we're gonna eat breakfast and then we're gonna do it. I have some like scrambled eggs and then like some stuff in it, like healthy stuff. So I'm just having my pan. We're gonna have 5 eggs. I'm just gonna mix it all together and see what other stuff I'm gonna put in. All right, so this is all ready. I am gonna put some ham, or that's not ham, this is turkey. And then also I'm gonna put some zucchini in it. I don't think Ryan's gonna notice, but I'm gonna make it really, really small so that he will wanna eat it. Hopefully he won't even notice it, so we'll see. We'll just see. All right, so here is the zucchini that I have chopped really, really tiny. And we're gonna get ready and put it in the pan with my eggs, our eggs, actually. Oh, I forgot to do this too. We're gonna put a little bit of turkey in it as well, just for a little protein. So Ryan doesn't like onions that much. I could have like an onion omelet. So I'm just not gonna put any onions in it today, but we just have our zucchini and turkey, and we're gonna kind of cook this up a little bit and then we'll put the eggs on. All right, so here's what we've got. We have some toast as well. I'm gonna have one, and I'm gonna have almond butter. Ryan's probably just gonna have butter. I'm not sure though. So it's almost ready. Honey, how you feeling? Are you feeling so much better? Look at her walking now. She's walking so much better before. Oh, you're such a good girl, Penny. Come here, Ben. Hi. Look at all your friends and your fans. Yeah, hi, cuteness. Oh, I'm such a good girl. Yeah. What should we do today, Penny? Do we do anything fun? Should we say hello? Hello.
I just wanted to show you guys how glamorous Courtney's life is 24/7. Out here in her PJs with a small rake and hooper scooper.
Alright, I just took a shower, so now I'm gonna blow dry my hair and then straighten it. So when I'm doing my hair, I always use, well, not always, but majority of the time I use this. This is the Straight Away Smoothing Blowout Cream. This helps my hair blow drying it faster, like dries it quicker. So I always use this. It is very, very good. And then I usually always put in this. This is the keratin silk infused chi. Yeah, this. I've had this for a really, really, really long time. You have a lot and you don't need a lot. So I do have really, really dry hair too. And I like to put a little bit of this in my hair as well. And then I blow dry it. And I use a really big, wide, like curly brush, whatever. You know what this is. Just because I have extremely curly hair and it just needs to be tamed. So the blow dryer that I have always been using is the Bio-Ionic. It is so, so good. I do really want to try the Dyson one, but I just can't. It's just so expensive. Is it worth it? If you have it, let me know down below, because I really want to try it. And I've had, someone else has done it for me before, and it looks really nice. I mean, but is it, I just put way too much in here. Is it worth how much it is? Let me know. I also really want to try the curler thing for it too from Dyson. It's just so expensive. So let me know if you guys have any of those, and let me know if it's actually worth the like $1 billion. So like the one that I really, really want is the straightener, not the straightener, the curl one. But I also really have heard amazing things with the blow dryer. So I know you just can't have everything. We're just gonna start blow drying. So it has not been very long. It's been like probably maybe a minute, and you can see it's like already starting to be dry because of this. I will put the link in the description box for this. It is so incredibly good. Like literally hasn't even been a minute and it's already starting to blow dry. It's just so good. Alright, so this side is completely dry. I should have timed it. I'll time this side so we can see how long that actually took to straighten or to dry this side. But this side is complete. So I'm gonna put like a little hair tie in it to keep it out of the way. We'll use this. Alright, so we're gonna start a timer or stopwatch, and let's see how long it takes to do this side. This side is thinner because this is my surgery side, so we'll see how long it takes for this one. This one is going to be a little bit longer, but I didn't time this side. So let's time this side and see how long it's going to take. So ready, go. For the this half, it took 5.5 minutes. So for my whole head to be completely dried and not straightened, obviously, because I do need to still straighten it, took about 10 minutes, which is not bad at all for how curly my hair is. So this product definitely helps to help it be like blow dry it very, very quickly. This is not sponsored or anything, but this is an amazing product. So I'm going to go ahead and straighten this, and I'm just using my Numi, and yeah, and I finished. So I just ended up putting a little bit of curl into my straightener just for like a little bit of oomph, didn't take very long. I literally used like tiny little bit and like barely twisted it. So I thought it looks pretty cute. I'm ready for the world. And then sometimes I'll even take like this, I'll like go back and put a little bit in, not a ton, but like my hair is always just so dry. And I just kind of add this into my ends-ish area, and then over here as well. And then even like this part up here, just because this part is very fragile. As well, also like this inner part, you can see I've lost all that hair. I like to hydrate those on both sides. Alright, so I think today, it's gonna be the end of the video, I'm just gonna be playing with my stems, and hopefully Ryan and I, this is us, that we're gonna make a baby.
Oh my God. Oh wow.
I'm gonna do the sexy pose. Come on. Let's see what it is. Oh yeah, so sexy. But let me know. No. But I hope you guys love this video. Let me know down below if you would like. No, wait, hold on. I'm actually gonna say. Also, let me know if you would like to see any like what I eat in the day while I'm trying to work out and lose weight. Let me know. I've been thinking about doing it, but I'm not 100% sure. So let me know if that's something you guys would like to see. But I need to stay focused on making a baby with Ryan on The Sims. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.